When you open it up, we're gonna have all of our water package, okay? And we got this. So this right here is gonna be our pet grooming table.
We got your 3-compartment sinks, guys. We've got your hand wash sink.
So this is gonna be that 7x16 charcoal gray blackout pet grooming trailer. First off, we're gonna start on the front of it. So of course up here we have an extended tongue, which is 72-inch drawbars instead of your regular 48. We have a 3,000-pound ram jack on this one as well. Have all your breakaway kit and safety chains. And then we have a gin box up here. So this gin box looks pretty big. I believe it was probably going to be a 38 by 36, something of that nature. It's got plenty of room. It does have a little venting compartment up here. Once you open this up, this is going to be your actual, where you put your generator. It does have a slide tray, so you can slide it out, fill it up, slide it back in. You don't have to pull that generator in and out, in and out. Have a motor-based twist lock cord, so that's going to power your actual trailer. And that's going to hook up directly right here, Jake. This is going to be our motor base plug. So you flip that up, plug in the cord, plug it into your power source, and you're going to have some power. All right. On this trailer, if you'll notice, we did it a flat front. So it does have flat front. It has your actual cast aluminum corners up front with your round top radius, as well as it has your anodized, black anodized front corners as well. They're rounded. On the side of this trailer, we did it a 080 poly core. So that 080 thick multi-polymer sheet, bunch of different kinds of plastics melted into a sheet with a thin aluminum coating. This is your 080. We also did it semi-screwless, screwed on the seams, glued on the middle studs, okay? Keep on coming down. We did this trailer in a blackout special, so you guys will notice we have all of our black trimming, top trim, bottom trim, ball lock door hasp, as well as our fenders, and then we have our black and chrome alloy wheels. On this trailer, we did do a 3,500-pound drop leaf spring axle on this one. Here you're going to have your 30 by 30 egress window. The difference between a horizontal slider and an egress, it does have a hinge up top. So this will be an emergency skate patch, okay? So it's a 30 by 30 egress window. It is tinted from the outside. You can see out of it great. Inside, can't really hardly see in. On the back of this trailer, it's a pet grooming. So of course we got water. This is going to be our city fill center. You can fill this up to fill the tank up, or you can do a direct flow to a water hose, so you can flow your water hose and always have water cycling. So this is going to be our city fill. Also, we have our actual dump tank here. So that's what's going to hold all your dirty water and stuff. Pretty much just like the concession trailer. You turn it off and do this. You pull this, boom, and it'll flush it out, okay? So that right there is going to be our dump tank, waste tank, whatever you want to call it, dump valve. All right, come on around here to the back, Jake. On this trailer, we got double rear doors. The reason for it, we got our pet grooming water closet in here. Makes it easy accessible and lets you see if you need to ever work on anything. So what we're going to do, we've got 2 loading lights up there as well, just if you need a little bit of light back here while you're working on something. When you open it up, we're going to have all of our water package, okay? So we're going to have our fresh water tank, which is a 52-gallon fresh. No, excuse me. 48-gallon fresh water tank. Have a 52-gallon wastewater tank in this box. This box is insulated. So we're seeing with a bunch of our pet groomers, these boxes, they would freeze if they wasn't in a box. Then you have slushy when you're trying to pour out of your dump valve. So we put it in an insulated case so that would not happen no more. Have a 6-gallon hot water heater here. So it does have a 6-gallon hot water heater. All right. On this side, we have all of our battery for all of our electrical and everything of that nature. Here we have a converter, which is going to take that 110 volt and convert it into a 12 volt energy. Okay. Have all of our little switches in here for our lights and stuff of that nature, which they cut on. This is the back side of that dump valve, which, like I said, you plug it up to a water hose, directly feeds it into your water tank and everything, and then also you can fill up your tank with that hose. So this is the back of our plumbing closet. Okay. On this side is going to be that 080 poly core semi-screws. We have another 30 by 30 eager slider here. Right. We have a 15 by 30 vertical slider in the door, so it's a 15 by 30. It does have a screen if you wanted to lift it up, get a little bit of airflow through it. It does have a screen in it. It is tinted. You can't really see in, but you can see out of it perfect. Up underneath, we do have an RV step for them women, just so they don't have to step up as high. So it does have an RV step in there. Now that we're inside of this trailer, so first off I want to start, we have our finished interior, which is our white metal walls, our white metal ceiling, and then we have our rubber tread plate flooring, which is an RTP. It is a rubber tread. We'll flip around real quick, Jake. What we have here is we have an upper cabinet, then we have a lower cabinet. So a base cabinet and an overhead cabinet for plenty of storage if you're putting clippers or anything like that you need to store. You have plenty of room for it. This is the key for that city fuel center I was telling you outside to fill up your water tanks and stuff. That would be the key for it. Up top, very easy to open, just more storage. Same thing on the bottom. You have your panel box there, easy accessible if you ever need to, look at your breakers if anything ever flips. We'll start on this side now. What we have here is we have our flying pig dryer. So when you're drying your dog, this thing's going to come in handy. It's a variable speed control. You turn it up, down. I believe you can, do a couple different things with it. It does have extension hoses, different kind of tops for it. And then we got this. So this right here is going to be our pet grooming table, where it's just like a shop or works just like a barber chair. All right, so it's hydraulic. So you pump it up, and then it's an easy fall all the way down. So that's going to be our pet grooming table. Put your dog there. And this is the inside of them 30 by 30 windows. Like I said, it is an egress escape hatch. I can pull these. I don't really want to, but I can pull these and open it up. You do have to climb out for any reason. Also, one thing about them, they still do open. So you have open, there is a screen, so you can get kind of ventilation through both sides, because there's one on that side and one on this side. Back here, we just have a little closet. You can put shampoo, cleaning products, whatever you want here, extra clippers or whatever the case may be. So we have a little floor to ceiling closet there. And then we're going to go to our 50-inch dog grooming tub. So this is a Flying Pig 50-inch dog grooming tub. It does have trays. The trays, basically, you can pick it up. So if you're doing a smaller breed dog like a Chihuahua or something, you ain't got to hang your head down in there and bathe and key you back. All right. Easy accessible door, open and closes. And then we also have a step here. So if you have a big dog you don't feel like picking up, you can pull that out. Those dogs can walk on up it. Okay. So this is our 50-inch stainless steel dog grooming tub. This is that other 30 by 30 window. And then we have a 12-volt stinky fan here, which is not necessarily a stinky fan in this trailer, but you can open it up. And then with all that heat from that dog, you're washing them with a little bit of heat, the steam that may come off of them, this right here will kind of ventilate it out. It'll pull that heat out, okay? All right. If you guys want to, we'll step outside. I'll show you a little bit of numbers. Let's see if the lights on in here, Jake. Look at there. We got lights. So up here in the ceiling, I do want to point out this. Completely forgot about it. We have a 15,000 BTU AC. All right, it's going to be keep you plenty of cool in this little bitty space. This is not a real big space, so that thing's going to work perfectly. We have some 24-inch 12-volt lights. And like I said, there is a converter back there, which is pulling that 110 energy to 12 volts, so you don't have to worry about your battery dying. But that will be our electrical package in. We have extra resets around the trailer, as well as some lights and an air conditioner inside. All right, you guys, so that was that 7x16 dog grooming trailer, charcoal gray blackout. It is ready to go. All right, so Lane said this one right here we're gonna do for invoice cost. In this trailer, I got $24,950 in it, $24,950. And like Lane said, we will sell it to you for $24,950 as well. If you buy it within the next 2 weeks before Valentine's Day, we'll give you a $500 tip just for buying it. Spend it however you want. Put it towards the trailer, put it towards your gas, buy your fiance, girlfriend, wife, whatever you want to call her. Put it to her a gift, all right? So this trailer, $24,950. You take it home, it's yours. This trailer's been sitting here for a couple of months, so it's not the cleanest, but if you give it a good, nice wax job, she'll look like she's brand new. All right, you guys, so like we said, my name is Austin King here at Renown Cargo Trailers, located in Douglas, Georgia, 1135 Bowens Mill Road Southwest. You can reach us here a couple different ways. We have a website, www.renowncargotrailers.com, www.rocksolidcargo.ga. We also have www.concessiontrailers.com. We have a bunch of different platforms you can get on, as well as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, our YouTube page, of course. Anything you can think of, I'm pretty sure we're on there. And our main way to reach us is our contact number, which is our 888-287-3954. And like Lane said, all of these trailers, we got 2 weeks. You buy them within the 2 weeks, we give you a $500 deal on any of the ones here that we just showed you. These 3 trailers are ready to go, and we're ready for you to take them. So if you would, give us a call, 888-287-3954. And as Lane always says, until then, you guys stay blessed.